Right out of the gate, I have to tell you, I'm sure this video is not going to be the best quality-wise because I'm in Tokyo in a little business pod and the lighting is horrible and it's super echoey, but here we go.
This is Cruise News Today with Doug Parker.
A video has emerged of a brawl on a Carnival Cruise Line ship returning to Tampa, Florida. A passenger recorded the incident who was just heading to get some pizza, showed chairs flying and plates flying across the room. Now, security intervened after a few minutes, but the aftermath of broken plates, glasses, and flying chairs left a mess in there. Carnival Cruise Line told Cruise Radio in a statement, Carnival Paradise's security team intervened in an incident that took place on June 6th. It went on to say, as in our policy, we will not tolerate such behavior, and the guests involved were fined and will not sail on Carnival Cruise Line again. The Carnival Paradise operates year-round voyages from Tampa, Florida. And if you're cruising this week, keep in close contact with your cruise line for possible itinerary changes as the tropics are starting to heat up in the Caribbean. Already, Royal Caribbean's Icon of the Seas is not sailing its planned itinerary as a system has formed in the Southern Caribbean. It's now sailing a Western Caribbean voyage to stay out of the storm's way. The best updates will come from the cruise line's emails, text alerts, or weather bulletins on their homepage. And it's not just hurricanes impacting cruise ships, it's dry dock as well. Royal Caribbean just sent letters to guests that are sailing on the Brilliance of the Seas next May, telling them that their cruise has been canceled due to dry dock repairs. Now, earlier this year, Brilliance had a series of propulsion issues in Sydney, Australia, which canceled a couple and shortened a few itineraries. Guests who are canceled can book a later cruise on Brilliance in the Med or sail on Independence of the Seas or just get a complete refund. And cruise line stocks were mixed on Friday. Carnival Corporation down 1.3%, 18.61. Royal Caribbean down 1%, 160.21. And Norwegian up slightly, 18.64. And Viking up 4%, 32.71. If you have a lead on a story, drop us a line, tips@cruiseradio.net. Here in the business pod at the Tokyo airport in Japan, I'm Doug Parker with Cruise News Today. Have yourself a great Monday.